Hello friends, uh, now in this video I'm going to learn how to make the guitar. Very simple way to make guitar. इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि कैसे हम गिटार बनाते हैं. मैंने ऑलरेडी बना रखा है, सो मैंने इस डिज़ाइन का गिटार बनाया हुआ है. सो अब देखते हैं कि हम कैसे इस गिटार को सॉलिडवर्क्स पे क्रिएट करते हैं. बहुत इजी स्टेप्स हैं, आप इसे फॉलो करो. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट दिस ट्यूटोरियल. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल go to the sketch command. First you have to select the plane. For better view you have to select the front plane. Then you have to draw the this type of geometry from a spline curve. Select this spline and take this 161.4. okay, this dimension is radius 91.42. okay, and this dimension is radius 218.57. okay, and this radius is 165.10. okay, done. Then same, this radius this distance is 131.10. okay, done. Then as same as from this side is also same. okay, now you have to after creating the geometry you have to create the extrude command from feature bar. See how it look. You have to select the sketch blind and extrude up to 114.3 mm. okay, then extrude from this. okay, you have to extrude. Done. Now after that, creating this base part, then go to this string part. okay, first you have to select the sketch and then draw this line. This I show you what the dimension is. This dimension is 447.02. okay, and this dimension is 100 mm. okay, and this dimension is 45.49 mm. okay, all dimension are in mm. okay, and this dimension is 6. Done. This dimension, this whole from here to here dimension is 135.27. you have to create this from line command. Then you have to select this 20 and this 5. okay, done. Then select 20, then done. okay, as well as same on both this string and this string. Now come to this section. This radius 63.43. okay, this is radius 63.43. now come to the all are same. you have to there is one trick to draw the same command. from here you have to select the center line from here to here and mirror these all geometry from this side. Go to the sketch command and mirror entities and select these entities, these, and you have to select. Let me show you in titles to mirror. okay, and then as same as mirror about the center line, and as same as from this side also creates. okay, Now come to the extrude part of this string. Come to the string part. Okay, extrude. Let me see. See, from this edge I have to extrude only 10 mm from interior side. Okay, blind merge result, because why I am selecting merge result, because if I unselect this unselect merge result, they show the geometry lines here after completing my project. That's why I am choosing merge result. Okay, after merging the result, not any lines, not any planes show here. That's why after selecting this, the extrude up to 10 mm. Okay, then create this part. Okay, this view create. See, now come to the next part. What in the next part? This string, the wire string. Okay, you have to draw the geometry. Previously I have already show you the geometry, and extrude from this edge to this edge. Let me show you how it extrude. 30 mm. Okay, extrude up to 30 mm. From here to here distance, the overall distance is 30 mm. Now come to the next. Okay, on this base part I have to create the circle on the base part. Let me show you what the dimension of the circle. First of all, you have to select the sketch and draw the circle on the on this part. Okay, whether you have to draw, then come to this, and the dimension of this circle is diameter is 101.60. I think 51 point something the radius. Okay, then after that you have to cut the surface of circle. Let me show you how to cut. I have to blind the direction up to blind. Okay, why I am choosing blind? Because don't know whether we have to cut. Okay, the distance is 190 mm. Okay, let me show you. So all cut. Okay, I have already select this blind cut. Okay, this done. See, for all. Let's come to the next. This section. This is so for better appearance I have to show this. See, you have to select this from here, draw the radius 43. Okay, and select the line of dimension 33.87, and this dimension is 43.30. okay, done. And this dimension is 12.12. okay, this dimension is done. Now after that you have to cut the surface, this surface only, for good appearance. That's why I am choosing this geometry. Close the sketch. Let's see how it's cut. You have to blind up to same distance 189.90. okay, and through all, cut, done. Okay, now come to the last section. You have to fillet this, because this is the irregular shape. That's why I am using fillet on that surface. This, see, the fillet parameter, this edge I want to fillet this. First select the tangent propagation and full preview. The fillet parameter used is symmetric. Okay, the radius of the fillet is 30 mm. Okay, the profile is circular. Okay, you have to select, see this. Now it's completed. See how it look. You have to revolve. This is simple guitar. Okay, then thank you friend for watching my video. Please more and more share my video for better project. Okay, like, subscribe. Thank you all for watching my video.